The oil export relationship between Sudan and South Sudan has experienced significant disruptions due to ongoing conflict and infrastructure challenges. South Sudan, a landlocked country, relies on pipelines that traverse Sudan to export its crude oil through Port Sudan on the Red Sea. This oil revenue is vital, constituting approximately 90% of South Sudan's foreign exchange earnings. In return, Sudan benefits from transit fees for the use of its infrastructure. Pipeline damage and repairs. In early 2024, conflict in Sudan led to damage of the pipeline infrastructure, halting South Sudan's oil exports. Repairs were completed by late 2024, allowing exports to resume in January 2025. Resumption of exports. The resumption of oil flow was crucial for South Sudan's economy, which had suffered due to the export halt. The repaired pipeline restored a significant portion of the country's revenue stream. Threats of export halt. As of May 2025, Sudan's government has warned of a potential halt to South Sudan's oil exports due to recent drone attacks on key facilities, attributed to the Rapid Support Forces (RSF). These attacks have raised concerns about the safety and viability of the export routes. Economic implications. The potential suspension of oil exports poses a significant threat to South Sudan's economy, which is heavily dependent on oil revenue. Any disruption could exacerbate existing economic challenges, including inflation and currency depreciation. In summary, while efforts have been made to stabilize oil exports between Sudan and South Sudan, ongoing conflict and security concerns continue to threaten this critical economic lifeline.